Well, I'm gonna check out my new toy. I decided to upgrade from a $7 sprinkler system to a $20 oscillating sprinkler system. I got this thing at Lowe's for like $20. They say it covers 4,000 square feet, and I like the different settings on it. You got different angles and different things you could do with that and adjust the pressure and everything. As you can see, it's pretty neat. I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna take it loose and I'm gonna set it here in my yard and hook the hose up to it. As you can see, my grass is burning. It's hot here in Houston, so I decided, hey, I better keep some water on this thing. So let me show you what it looks like here once I take it out the package. You got to push it down in the ground, find your soft spot. I'm gonna have to put my phone down so I can push it in the ground. So I pushed it in about 3-4 inches. But I'm gonna show you these adjustments. You see here to the left, check this out. See how it goes to your angles there to the top. You can adjust your angles on where you want your water to go. Also on the right hand side, you can do the same thing. There you go. And also you have this right here, the width. Like if you want to do the whole yard, you just push it all the way down. If you want just the middle section, just bring it back up right there. So I'm gonna show you this thing in operation. And on the left hand side, you can also adjust your water volume. Okay, let's see how this thing works. I got it plugged in and I got it on low. I'm gonna show you the different little settings here. If you look right here, you see right there, that's where you can set your range, how far you want it to go. And if I want it to come all the way, the full spread, just go all the way down. You're gonna notice it's gonna keep coming. Now if it get wet, let me stop it right here. It's gonna stop right there. Okay, if you want your different angles, check this out. See, I got it on full angle there to the left. I can bring this, you see that? And I could change the different angles. This is the same way over here. Change the different angles. And here on the side, you can adjust your flow. See, I got it on minimum. It should be a negative. And I'm gonna turn it up. Check this out. You hear that? I'm gonna go full. And we're gonna go back and look at it. Okay. That's how this thing operates. So I decided I was going to try something new. Instead of buying a $7 sprinkler, I upgraded to a $20. I don't know if you can get it online, but if you can, I'm going to put a link in the description. It's pretty neat how you can make all the different adjustments. So I'm going to walk back to it. You see it's watering the whole front yard. It say 4,000 square feet. I'm getting wet right now. And I'm gonna walk to this thing and I'm gonna turn the volume down. Check it out. As you can see, so turn the volume down. Adjust my width. That's all to it. So I'm gonna turn it on full and I'm gonna turn my water pressure all the way up, and I got it all the way to the right and left, so it should water the whole yard. As you can see, I got everything on max and it's watering the whole yard. You can see it's hot here in Texas and my grass is a little burnt a little bit, so I'm trying to keep a little water on it. Now, if you want to pick one of these up, you can go to your local Lowe's, or I'm going to see if I can find this on Amazon and put the link in the description. All right, thanks for watching and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.